Welcome to the Urn Engraving Customization tutorial. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple and meaningful process of creating customized engravings for urns, a service we're proud to offer to funeral homes like yours. First of all, make sure you are logged into our site. If you don't know your login, contact our customer service team at
800-827-5151
to request your website credentials for online ordering. First, let's navigate to our urn listings on the website. Here, you'll find a variety of urns eligible for engraving. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the handcrafted rectangle flat wood urn. Once you've selected this urn, you'll have the option to choose the engraving placement and preferred wood type. As a new feature, you are now able to see the inventory of your urn parts. However, you must be logged in to see urn inventory. After making these selections, simply click the Add to Cart button. Now, let's personalize your engraving. In your shopping cart, you'll find the Personalize button. Clicking this will lead you to the customization page. The best practice for ordering engraved urns, since they are personalized, is to order per decedent. For our example, we're engraving the name John Smith. Here, you can enter the dates and choose your preferred font and fill options. We offer block and script fonts, along with various backfill options for our wood urns from a drop-down menu. Online proofing allows for up to 2 lines of text. Any additional lines need to be ordered through customer service. After making your choices, click Continue. On this next page, select the Preview button to generate a preview of the engraving on the urn. This visual is for appropriate placement of the engraving and to review and approve the text for production. Actual finished product may vary. From here, you have the option to download the proof image. If you are satisfied and approve the personalization, click the Return to Shopping Cart button to finalize your choice. However, if you wish to make changes, simply select Previous Step. For this demonstration, we'll approve our customization by returning to the shopping cart. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it enhances your experience and assists you in providing a personalized, respectful service to the families you work with. Have a wonderful day.